What's good, YouTube? It's Darian here, and today we will be doing a self photo shoot using the Fujifilm XT-200. So I've had this camera for around 2 years, and I've been taking pictures of both friends, family, and also nature off and on, but I do want to get more consistent with it. I bought this camera used for around $650 on eBay, and it actually came with both the stock lens and also a additional lens with a camera bag and cleaning material, so it was definitely a good deal. I actually want to throw on some pictures that I've taken with this camera on the screen just to show y'all, my photography level and what some of the pictures I've been taking look like. I'm definitely still an amateur, especially when it comes to photography lingo. I'm still learning what aperture, focal length, shutter speed, how those impact my pictures, and also shooting in manual mode. So this is definitely going to be good practice for me. So kind of for the table of contents of this video, first I'm going to talk about some details and specs of the camera. I'm going to show the photo shoot setup, me actually taking the photos, and then the results will be in the video as well. So the Fujifilm XT-200 actually released in January of 2020. It is a mirrorless camera with a 3.5-inch LCD display and has a 16:9 aspect ratio. The camera has an electronic viewfinder and utilizes a hybrid autofocus system with on-sensor phase detected pixels. It can record up to 4K UHD video with up to 30 frames per second. That was just a basic description of the camera, and now I want to get into showing y'all my outfit and the setup for the shoot. Alright y'all, so I really just laid my outfits out like it's the first day of school, but for the first fit, I got a nice Reebok jacket windbreaker and some cargo jeans, and I'm gonna wear those with these Timbs that I have. And then I also have this striped collared shirt with some more cargo jeans. I think I got these from PacSun. And then this shirt that I got from ASOS, it's a collared kind of striped shirt. Also this white beater just in case I want to throw it on. Also, shout out to my dog Monkey D. Luffy, man. Alright y'all, so this is the setup that I'll be using for the photo shoot. Got my tripod here that I got from Amazon, as well as this stool here that I got from Amazon too. Basically everything in here is from Amazon. This backdrop, and also these lights, these two lights that I have. And then I also want to show y'all these other two backdrops that I might use. One is yellow and then the other one is red. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to show y'all a time lapse of me actually taking the photos, and after each outfit change or background change, I'm going to show the results. So I hope y'all enjoy.
They said they're tired of land. Yeah, there's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a. They said they're tired of land.
I know most of you people out there today have lost it love. But please find the loving feeling and let's ride on.
There's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a band. They said they're tired of land.
I know most of you people out there today.
There's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a band. Yeah, there's got to be a band.
Alright, y'all, these are the last couple of photos, and I did take some pictures with the red background, as you can see here. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That sounds so crazy to say, but please comment too and let me know what other types of videos y'all want to see. And y'all stay safe.